Hi, this is Shivani Matan. As part of my fifth assignment, the goal here is to add some features to our existing application. Some of the features are like users must be able to upload the image from a local device and be able to display it on the landing page. Along with the image, user must be able to enter some description and allow users to enter maximum 200 words in the text box. Finally, the user must be able to delete the image and delete the text box along with it. All of these actions must be performed without refreshing the landing page. Here is the upload image. Before tackling the requirements, I just restructured the project as it is big and complicated. I just created a script and style files under the static folder and moved respective JavaScript functions and CSS code to those files and referenced those files in my landing page. To provide users with upload image feature, I used a simple JavaScript Ajax Python. Mainly, I used Ajax for providing user upload features without refreshing. I provided the user with a button to upload an image, and when the user clicks on the button, the user will be able to choose files from the local device. Here I added simple validation that user will be able to upload types like PNG, JPG, JPEG and GIF. If user upload files other than these extensions, it will report to the user. So once the user selects the file and submits it, then control goes to Ajax function and will submit post request to the backend. Then my Python function will simply grab the file path and save the image to the static upload folder in my server. Now it will return the file name it is saved as response to my Ajax function. And form, then JavaScript will handle the situation. When my calling function receives the file name, it will just grab the file name from the uploads folder and append it to my landing page along with the text box and delete button without refreshing. Now we'll check the upload image demo. So if you see on the landing page, we can see add or upload image. So when we click on the choose file, I have downloaded some sample images from the Google. Now we'll choose India, and when we open it, when we submit the file, we can see the image along with the text box. So once the image will return if the user refreshes it as it is saved in the server. The user will be able to see the image until the user deletes it. If you see the image is saved in static upload folder name india.jpg. Now we will go for the text area with the words limitation task. Now to allow users to enter some description and limit them to a maximum of 200 words, I use a simple JavaScript function which keeps track of the keywords and tracks the number of words entered by the user. Once the user reaches maximum 200 words, it won't allow the user to enter more as it automatically trims the content. To help user keep track of it, I added a live board which shows the current word count and maximum allowed words left in the right so that user keeps track of them. All of these values will be updated dynamically. Now we'll go for the demo. Like here I'm copying the India flag content from the Wikipedia. I'm here pasting the values content. If you see here, now I have done the 108. I have reached the count of 108. I have left with 92. So once if I paste it again, if it reaches 200 words, now when I try to enter any other word, it deletes automatically without allowing me to enter. So this is the demo for text box. Now we'll go for the delete image along with the content. To provide a user with the feature of deleting image and description, I provide a user with a simple button. When the user clicks it will submit a simple Ajax post request to the backend by passing a file name as input. When the client hits the delete API, it will grab the file name from the request object and delete the file under static upload folder. The way the file is deleted from the server and sends back a response, and we also remove the whole div which holds the image and text area using a simple JavaScript, and this action is performed without refreshing the page. If you see here, when we click on the remove image and description, when we click on that, it deletes the description as well as image box. Similarly, it will delete from the uploads. We don't see the file name here because it deletes completely. Now we can see all these features without refreshing the page. So when we will see for few more images. When I submit the button, we can see the image India flag. Similarly, I am continuing with Russia flag. If you choose file and do for the UK, so now we can see the 3 countries flag. We'll add one more. So Now we are able to see the 4 flag images along with the text box, and here in the uploads we can see the file names also. So when we click on the remove image, the image and the text box will be get deleted. Even in the upload folder we can't see the file names of those flags. Similarly, I have deleted all the 4 images and the upload will be empty as all the images got deleted. These all features are done without refreshing the page. Thank you.